What's the meaning of breakwater? Breakwater. Breakwater.
Breakwater. Breakwater. A breakwater is a structure built in the ocean or another body of water to protect ships and boats from the force of waves. Breakwaters are typically made of concrete, rocks, or other heavy materials that can withstand the crashing waves. The result of building a breakwater is a calmer and more protected area behind it, where ships and boats can safely anchor or travel through. Breakwaters also help to reduce erosion along coastlines by cutting down on the energy of waves hitting the shore. The construction of breakwaters can have a significant impact on marine life, particularly on fish populations, and so careful planning is required before building one.